Dancehall artist Popcaan has secured another silver certification. The Unruly artist and British artist Jorja Smith were certified silver in the United Kingdom for their collaborative effort Come Over. The song was released in October last year and debuted in the top 40 on the British pop chart with over 200,000 copies sold in the UK. Come Over also emerged on Billboard, where it peaked at number 27 on the adult R&B play chart. The single also charted in Belgium and France. His feature on Jorja Smith's single has amassed over 8 million views on streaming platform YouTube. Now, Popcaan, who celebrated his birthday yesterday, returned to Instagram after a 3-month hiatus. Last year, Popcaan secured a number of international. The single was produced by TVJ Records and arrived just in time for the summer festivities. On the track, Popcaan talks about his plans for the summer as they make their way to the pool party. The song is currently trending number 29 on YouTube with close to 100,000 views since dropping yesterday. Carnival band Popcaan Jamaica announced plans to roll out their signature event for the 2021 season soon. Now, in a statement released yesterday, Popcaan Jamaica notes that they have decided to restart their much-loved and missed series of events in October and November this year. The directors of the organization said they are considering all possible health factors as they plan for the upcoming season, adding that, quote, "The recent announcement by the Jamaican government regarding the reopening of the entertainment sector in Jamaica and the easing of restrictions has been received with great appreciation by industry players. However, we're very aware of the continued threat to the health of our population due to the continued presence of COVID-19, end quote. Popcaan Jamaica noted that they have taken into consideration the factors in arriving at the projected start to their events. The 2020 Carnival costumes will be valid for the 2022 Road March. Dancehall artist Spice recently revealed the icy cover artwork for her upcoming album 10. The project is set for release on August 6. 10, which will be released via VP Records, will feature her hit single Good Dong There with Shaggy and Sean Paul. The anticipation is high for her first album. I'm Deidran reporting for E! Prime.